Lego Magic Art. Magic Hat. Kids, let's see what we are drawing today. Wow! It's a racing car. Let's start the outline with a black color. Kids, let's do it together. Let's draw front and side mirror of the car. Kids, this looks amazing. Kids, we are almost done with our first step. Now, we will draw headlights of the car. Now, let's draw oval shape inside each wheel for the rims. Every racing car needs some unique designs. Let's add some design on the side of the car. Now, we will add a strip and a number on the front of the car. I'm going to pick number 1. Let's draw the eyes. Time. We will use red color for the body of the car. Kids, are you enjoying? Yes! Kids, let's do it together. This red color looks beautiful. Wow! Wow! This looks beautiful. Kids, do you agree? Yes! We will use same red color for rims. Now, we will use black color for the wheels. Gray color for this part. Next, we will use yellow color for the design. mirrors and headlights of the car. Our racing car looks amazing. Kids, we are almost done with our coloring.
Hooray!
Great job, little artists! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun drawing adventures. Keep creating magic. See you next time!